Hi, I'm Karen Rice and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be painting a step-by-step watercolour tutorial of a beautiful anemone. I'm just painting the single flower with no background using just 3 colours. I will be working light to dark, large to small, wet in wet, damp into wet, damp into damp, and then wet on dry. I'll be blending edges and creating darks and details. If you would like to watch a longer, more informative tutorial of this anemone with much more voiceover, with fuller explanations of tips and techniques, why not think about joining my Patreon channel membership? Details about that will be in the description below, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me and put them in the comments section. So, shall we get started? I'm using cold press watercolour paper. It's 9 by 12 inches. More details about the materials I'm using will be in the description below. I'm using 3 primary colours. They're core watercolours: Quinacridone Magenta, Quinacridone Gold and Purple, and details, as I say, will be in the description below, and colour alternatives if you don't have those colours. So I'm using my large size 14 black velvet brush to wet the surface of the anemone, and I'm going to drop in that lovely magenta colour, wet in wet. While the paper is wet, I'm mixing up some Quinacridone Gold and a little bit of the pink, and I'm painting wet into wet with my size 10 brush, the warmer colours, and I'm going to let that dry. Once your painting is dry, you can start painting your next sort of darker, stronger tones. I'm using the size 6 brush here, and I'm sort of painting, if you look at the reference photograph, some of the darker tones, just using the pink on its own, slightly darker than what I used previously. So I'm going to work my way around each petal, painting wet on dry, and then rinsing my brush and taking the excess water off, and then blending and softening as I go. I'm going to paint the center of this anemone now. I'm using my size 6 brush and I'm mixing up a little bit of the purple with the pink just to create some sort of stronger, darker tones, and again softening them with some water just to soften some little gaps in between. And then I'm using some of the purple now, painting this wet in wet, dropping a little bit of the Quinacridone gold into the purple to make it even darker. And I'm just going to paint some of these marks now around the outer sort of circle, damp into damp. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to sprinkle some sea salt or table salt onto the damp surface and let it dry. Once the salt has dried and it's created some lovely texture, I'm building up again using the magenta to create more darks between the petals, and I'm going to work my way around each petal, softening with the damp brush as I go. So I've allowed my painting to dry and I'm actually working on the centre again using the purple and the Quinacridone gold, quite a nice creamyish colour, and I'm using my size 10 brush just to put these lovely dark marks in. And now I'm using my size 2 round brush and I'm just putting some magenta, little sort of veins in the petals just here and there, just to really bring this little flower to life with all this lovely detail. I'm just finishing off now. I'm just pulling out this petal here because I forgot to paint it. So I'm just putting in the stage before here. So got this pink wash, painting it on, and then again softening. There we are, rinsing my brush and softening with clean water. And it just gives those lovely soft edges there. I'm just masking out now the petals with some kitchen towel and spattering this dark wash wet on dry just to give a little bit more texture. I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial as much as I have. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comments section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. If you would like to see more videos like this, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll get updates of my latest videos. And if you would like to see longer, more informative videos with lots more voiceovers, why not check out the Patreon channel membership. Thank you again for watching. Happy painting. Bye for now.